morning, everyone. We are the Group 3, and we are assigned to make a short song about 3 types of neuron. And today, we are here to present our song. Let's begin. 3. Today, I'm feeling kinda lazy, yeah. Thinking thoughts inside my head, yeah. Sensory neuron is on the line. Senses organs to the brain, and that's how sensory neurons transmit. Do you know how motor neuron works in our body? Chemicals from the brain, spinal cord to muscle. Nobody knows unless you study. Sensory motor is the other one. Associated neuron equals a junction. Analyze and interpret data. Oh yes, let's study the 3 types